Hello, all. Good morning. Welcome to Raj Informatica. Before starting, please subscribe my channel, Raj Informatica, in YouTube. In my channel, there are many useful Informatica PowerCenter, IICS, and Unix Oracle videos available. So please watch them, like, comment on them. Also, please browse my website, rajinformatica.com. So in this website, there are Informatica, Oracle, Unix, IICS material, and also Informatica IICS IDMC, also Oracle PowerCenter interview questions available. So please keep browsing my website and keep visiting my channel. Now let's start the session. Good morning all. Everyone able to hear me? Everyone able to hear me? Yes, please. And are you able to see my screen? You have to reply in chat. You have to reply in chat. Yes, please. So whatever the questions you have, you can ask in the chat. Yeah. So welcome to 22nd batch Raj Informatica morning session. I welcome all you people to my training. So let's start our training. Let's start the session, guys. Yes, please. Everyone, please reply. Everyone, please reply. There are 82 people are there. So could you please reply, everyone? Okay. Let's start the session. Yes, please. Let's start the session. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. Now, so this is our Informatica 22nd batch morning session. Let me tell you first how our training goes, and how it will goes. I will explain you first. Then I will go to the actual session. So as I told you, we are all learning here Informatica PowerCenter. It is an ETL tool. So I'll come the actual concepts after some time. But now coming to our session timings, daily we have 2-hour session. That is morning 9:30 to 11:30. Today started late. Okay, but from next session onwards, it will be daily session. Sorry, it will be morning 9:30 exactly. I will start. You have to join at least by 9 o'clock, and I will start the session by 9:30. Okay, you should not be late for the session. Also, we have a evening session from 7:30 to 9:30. Whatever I cover, whatever I say on morning, the same thing I will cover in evening also. If you miss morning session, you can join evening session. You can WhatsApp us 8105296858. My team will provide the access. Are you clear, please? For some reason, if you are unable to join morning session, you can join evening session. Are you clear, please? Everyone? Yes, guys? Yeah. So you have to reply. When I ask something, you have to reply properly, please, so that our session is interactive and I can tell effectively. Yes, guys? Did you clear about the timings? Okay. Now, so if you want anything, you have to always WhatsApp us to our training number 8105296858. This is our official training number. You have to always WhatsApp to this number and my team will reply you. Okay? Understood? Now coming to the installation, you have to install. Okay? You can first you try to join morning. If you are unable to join morning due to some reason, then only join evening. Okay? Normally for morning people, will give the morning access, will not give the evening access. But if you are unable to join morning session, WhatsApp us on 8105296858. My team will provide the evening access. Evening at 7:30 you can join. 7:30 to 9:30. Yes, please. Are you clear? Okay. Next, coming to the Informatica installation. Coming to the Informatica installation. By Monday, you can install Informatica. Okay. If you did not install today, no problem. You no need to worry about it. By Monday, please try to install Oracle at least. Okay. We will send you Oracle 11G link, Informatica 10.2.0 link, Oracle 11G link, Informatica 10.2.0 link. First, you need to install Oracle. Then also you need to install SQL Developer. I'll send these three links. My team will send you in WhatsApp. Okay. So Oracle 11G link, SQL Developer, Informatica 10.2.0 link will send you. Okay. You install by Monday. I will send you a step-by-step installation video. I'll send you a step-by-step installation video, which I created. By seeing that, you can install easily. First, you try to install yourself. First, you try to install yourself. Okay. If you are unable to install by seeing my video, then WhatsApp us. My team will help you. Okay. Now, to install Informatica, you must have at least 6 GB RAM and at least 150 GB space available in your hard disk. Okay. At least 150 GB and 86 GB RAM. Okay. And your system should be 64-bit. So this is the main requirement. If you have, and processor can be anything, i3, i5, i7, Ryzen, anything is fine. But Intel processors will be recommended. Okay. And if you have Windows 8 also it will work, but better if you have 10 or 11. If you have Windows 10 or 11, that is better. Okay. Yes, guys. MacBook, I don't think so. MacBook, I don't think so. If in MacBook, if you have Windows, in MacBook, if you have Windows, then only you can install. Directly in MacBook, you cannot install. Yes, please. Okay. You have to install Windows on the MacBook. There is some way. Okay, I'm not sure how it is installed, but if you have that, you can install, but directly in MacBook, you cannot install. Now, okay, if you have 4 GB RAM, take the laptop to laptop showroom, laptop repair shop, and add 4 GB, one more 4 GB. If it is 8 GB, it will be better. But 6 GB also works. Are you clear about the installation, please? Are you clear about the installation? Everyone? Everyone, are you clear about the installation? Okay, now, so first 1 or 1.5 week, it will be alternative sessions. First 1 or 1.5 week, it will be alternative sessions. Alternative sessions means, okay, so today is the session, first session. Second session is on Monday. Third session is on Wednesday. Fourth session is on Friday. Like that it will go on. Yes, please. Understood, everyone? So first 1 or 1.5 week, it will be alternative sessions because you need to install Informatica. You need to, because you are new, it will take some time to adjust to practice. So I am giving that time to you. You have to practice well. Are you clear, please? Understood? Are you clear? Everyone? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Normally after 1.5 week, daily session will be there. Maybe Saturday and Sunday will be holiday, or Sunday will be holiday. Sometimes I'll take Saturday also. Okay. Now next, coming to the next point. Okay. So if you want to get the job on Informatica, you must do these things. What and all you need to do? You have to attend all the sessions. You need to listen carefully with concentration. You need to understand the sessions. You need to practice on daily basis. You need to attend the interviews, write down the interview questions, and get the job. So you no need to write down anything while I am telling. I'll give all the notes to you. You no need to worry about it. You no need to worry about it. Just what you have to do, you have to, okay, listen the session carefully. No need to write down anything. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? You no need to note down anything. I will give you everything. Okay, just always watch the always attend the session in laptop only. Don't attend the session in mobile because mobile screen will be very low. You will not understand or you will not see whatever I say. So please watch in laptop only. The entire 2 hours, just just understand what I am saying. Just understand what I am saying. Clear, please? Are you clear, everyone? Okay. Now, what and all we will cover in this training? I'll be covering almost 30 to 32 sessions, daily 2 hours. Almost 70 to 80 hours I will cover in this training. Yes, please. Almost 70 to 80 hours or 65 to 70 hours based on our schedule. What and all I will cover in the training. In this training, I will cover data warehousing concepts, Oracle SQL basics, Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0, basics to advanced topics, Unix basic commands. I will give a mini project. You have to do the mini project. You have to implement the mini project. I'll give the resume. I'll prepare the resume for you. I will give the interview questions to you. And I will give job assistance means how to apply, where to apply, how to attend the interview. All those things will cover in this training. Yes, please. These and all will be covered. Where to apply, how to answer the questions easily. All those things I will tell you in this training. Are you clear, please? Also, I will give SQL Server installation video. If you have interest, you can learn SQL Server also. MySQL also I will give. Okay. As of now, we work on Oracle. Later, we can work on SQL Server also if you are needed. Okay. Yes, please. Are you clear? Everyone? Understood? Now, so coming to the videos. Okay, coming to the recording videos. Coming to the recording videos, please. Yes, guys. Oracle 11G I will give. I'll give and we'll work on 11G. Okay. Oracle 11G software I'll give and we will work on those. Whichever is software is required, I will provide. Those are free softwares. You can easily install by seeing my video. You can easily install by seeing my video. You no need to worry about it. By Monday, you can install. No need to hurry today. By Monday, you can install Oracle at least. Okay, guys. Are you clear? Yes, please. Now coming to the recording videos. Coming to the recorded videos. As I promised you in the calls when we call us, okay, when you call us, we could have told there are total 30 to 33 videos. Total 30 to 33 sessions, correct? So total 30 to 33 videos will be there, daily 2 hours videos. So now 1 to 10 sessions are lifetime. You can watch anytime. Okay. Then 11 to 33 sessions, you will get 24-hour access. You will get 24-hour access. Yes, please. So that means suppose 11 session is completed by 11:30 today, we'll upload by 3 p.m. Till tomorrow 3 p.m. you can watch it. Actually, till 19th or 18th batch, we were not giving the videos. They were just joining the live sessions and they were just practicing without videos. But as you are new, I decided to give the videos. So try to not watch the video and practice. Don't watch the video, please. First listen, understand. If you have any doubts, ask me the questions. If you have any doubts, ask me the questions. Then after the class, practice the session without watching video. If you practice without watching video, one time, you will not forget in lifetime. But if you watch the video 100 times and practice, there is no use. Are you clear, please? Understood? Are you clear, everyone? So try to what? Not watch the video. Without watching the video, you have to practice. Are you clear, please? Without watching the video, you have to practice. That's how it will be. Are you clear, guys? So please don't miss a session daily basis. Don't miss the live sessions. Understand the sessions, listen carefully and understand it. Ask the questions if you have anything in the live sessions. And after the class, practice without watching the video. If you stuck somewhere, then only watch. Otherwise, don't watch the video. Then you will remember and you can answer the interview questions. Are you clear, please? Understood? Everyone, are you clear? Clear, guys? Okay. Now, coming to the WhatsApp groups. Coming to the WhatsApp group. Okay. We have a morning WhatsApp group and evening WhatsApp group. We have a morning WhatsApp group and evening WhatsApp group. Whoever paid full fee, whoever paid 11,000, whoever paid 11,000, they will be adding the WhatsApp groups. We have added already. Whoever paid 11, whoever paid 15,000, that full training fee. Once you pay the full training fee, then only we'll add you in the group. Till then, we will not add you. Okay. So if you did not pay the full fee, you can pay the full fee and you can send the screenshot to 8105296858. We will add you in the WhatsApp group. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. Okay. So morning people will be added in the morning groups. Evening people will be added in the evening groups. So if you have any doubts, if you have any initialization issues, if you have any practice issues, then you can post in the groups. People will help you. You can post in the groups. People will help you. Are you clear? Understood, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Understanding? Yes, please. Okay. Apart from that, apart from these WhatsApp group, we have a consolidated Telegram group, which my students from first batch to till today, there is a Telegram group. You can join to that also. I'll send that later. Okay. As of now, whoever paid 15,000, we have already added. Whoever did not pay, please pay the full fee to add. You can get help from the groups. You can get the help in the WhatsApp groups. So please pay the full fee as soon as possible. Apart from that, we have the practice sessions, practice WhatsApp groups. So we'll be creating some 5-6 WhatsApp groups. Based on your timings, you can join in this WhatsApp group. You can interact with the people and you can discuss with them and you can practice with them. Suppose daily 3 to 6 you are free. You join that WhatsApp group, okay, and text them in the group, join in a Zoom meeting and practice them with them so that it will be easy for you. Okay, clear about the practice groups? Everyone, clear about the practice groups? Are you clear, please? That's about the practice groups. Yes, please. Yeah. Now next. So as I'm telling again, if you need the job, you have to listen and you have to practice. You have to listen and you have to practice. There is no other shortcut for this. There is no other shortcut for this. You must practice it. You must practice. Okay, guys. So please don't waste time. Okay, practice on day-to-day basis. Okay, and complete the mini project which I given, and complete all the questions which are in website, and read all my notes and PPTs which I given on daily basis. Are you clear, guys? Understood? Yes, please. Now, so coming to here, what I'm trying to say is, maybe you are all completed. Actually, we have 3 subjects here. Mainly, you are learning here what? Mainly, you are learning Informatica PowerCenter. So you are learning here Oracle, Informatica PowerCenter. So mainly we have 3 subjects here. One is Informatica and Oracle and Unix. Informatica and Oracle are major topics. Unix is very minor, only basics. Okay. Now, maybe in our training, everyone are completed their BA, BE or BTech, MC or MBA, or any degree you might have completed. that is BSc, BCom, BA, BBM, okay, whatever you completed. If you completed degree means you could have at least 15 plus subjects. If you have completed MC, MBA, at least you have 20 plus subjects. If you could have completed BE, BTech, at least you could have 50 plus subjects, correct? If you are able to read, understand, practice all these subjects, why can't you read and understand? Why can't you listen and understand only these three? The two, only two. Two major and one minor. Yes, guys? Understood? Everyone? Are you clear, please? So, please don't worry. I will make you Informatica Oracle very easy. You have to practice well. That's it. You have to practice well. Listen my sessions and practice well. That's it. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Yes. Now, okay. So maybe you have the worries. I don't have communication skills. I don't know Oracle. I don't know Informatica. I don't know Oracle queries. No problem. Okay. So all these things will come by practice. All these things will come by practice, please. So you no need to worry about it. You no need to worry about it. If you don't have communication skills, if you don't have English, if you are unable to speak English, you no need to worry. From today, next 35-40 sessions, next 35-40 days, you try to speak English with your family members or with your friends. Okay? Who knows better English than you? English will come by speaking only. If you speak English, then it will be easy. If you don't speak, English will be very difficult. So keep speaking English. Keep speaking English these 35 or 40 days. Okay. So if you keep speaking, English will not come by writing, will not come by reading, will not come by speaking, will not come by listening. Okay. Will not come by seeing. It will come by only speaking. If you speak as much as English, then you can. So the two, you don't need to, you don't need to speak high-fi English. A simple English, English is just a communication language. Whatever whatever you speak in English, the other person should understand. That's it. You no need to learn a high-fi English. So you no need to worry. Okay. So just learn simple English so that if other person is unable to, if other person is able to understand your English, that is more than enough. Clear, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Yes, please. That's about it. Okay. And now, how many days? How many days I should, how many hours I should practice per day? Practice as much as possible. How much ever you practice, that much easily you will get a job. Suppose you have 5 hours free time, practice 5 hours. If you have 7 hours free time, practice 7 hours. If you have 2 hours free time, practice 2 hours. If you have 1 hour free time, practice 1 hour. So you no need to worry about it. Understood? Are you clear, please? Everyone, understanding? Yes, please. So practice as much as possible. Practice as much as possible. Okay. So that's about all about the hours. And one more thing, the last main important thing. This is very important. Okay. We are all added. This morning group means I will be adding you in the morning group. Evening batch means evening group. In that, every person will be there. You can see the numbers. But whenever you are speaking in the group, whenever you are speaking with anyone, you should always chat with respect. Always speak or chat with respect, whether it is a guy or girl or a gents or ladies. Please always respect each other. And in the WhatsApp groups, no good morning messages, no good evening messages, no festival messages, no anniversary messages. Only this should be on Oracle, Informatica sessions, discussions only. These WhatsApp groups only for Informatica Oracle discussions, not anything else. And while you are discussing in the group, always please respect others. And also, I'm especially telling to ladies or girls, if you are getting any unwanted message from group member personally, okay, unwanted means apart from Informatica, if they ping you, they should answer, they should ask only Oracle or Informatica. That's it. If they ask you about your personal details, if they are asking you, okay, inappropriately, then please block them and report me immediately and ping me on 81052968. That person will be removed permanently from the training. Okay. I'm telling to all girls or ladies, please. Yes. Clear? Understood everyone? If you are getting any unwanted message from anyone, so please block them immediately and report me immediately. Will remove permanently from the group and the training. Are you clear, guys? So please be careful. If you are speaking with another person, you should be very careful and you should be respectful manner. Clear? Are you clear, please, everyone? Shall we start the topic? Shall we start the topic? Whatever you are learning here, that is more than enough to get a job. That we'll see later. No need to worry. Yes, please. Just try to understand now. So, as I am telling, we are all learning here Oracle database and Informatica PowerCenter tool. Oracle database and Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 tool. This is a tool. This is an ETL tool. What tool? Informatica is a ETL tool. Okay. We are all learning here Oracle database and Informatica 10.2.0 ETL tool. And we are learning Unix commands. Unix commands. These three things we are going to learn in this training. Are you clear, please? What and all we are learning? Are you clear? First, the first thing we need to learn is about Oracle database. The first thing we need to learn is about Oracle database. Okay. First, we need to learn Oracle database. Then we need to go for any other. First, we need to learn Oracle database. Yes, guys. So today we are learning Oracle database. Basics first we'll learn what is Informatica, what is ETL, what is data, what is database. Then we'll go for Oracle database. Okay. Now, come to the point now. Data. Okay. First, data. What is data means? Where you will see the data? What is data? Where you will see the data? Anyone, please? Data means information. Where you will see the data normally? In your day-to-day, things. Yes, please. Where you will see? Where you will see the data? You will see the data everywhere, correct? If you go to supermarket, grocery data. If you go to college, educational data. If you go to hospital, healthcare data. If you go to bank, financial data. If you go to movies, okay, entertainment data. Yes or no, please? Data is what? Data is a collection of information, correct? Collection of information. Yes or no, please? Data is what? Collection of information. Okay. So what is data? It's a collection of information. Okay. So everywhere you will see the data. In real world, everywhere you will see data. Yes, please. So grocery, that is retail data, manufacturing data, healthcare data, government data, educational data, entertainment data, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Clear, please. Now, where this data will store as what? Data will store in. So examples of data is, what is examples of data? Examples of data are, okay. So as I told you, retail data, that is supermarket. Okay. Healthcare data, hospitals or medical shops. Healthcare data. Yes, please. This is hospitals or medical shops. Next, government data in all government organizations. Yes, please. Educational data.
Okay, colleges and schools, financial data in banks, entertainment data, etc., etc. Now, where this data will store? Data will store in the form of what? Data will store in the format of data will store in the format of data will store in the format of data can be stored two ways. Data can be stored in either tables or files. Data can be stored in two ways. Either data can be stored in tables or data can be stored in files. Okay. So data can be stored in tables. Data can be stored in files. Okay. Data can be stored in files. Okay. Now let's go to files later. Now let's discuss about tables first. Let's discuss about table. What is a table? What is a table? Okay. Table. Table is collection of data. What is table? Collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Okay. Collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Are you clear, please? Okay. So that means it will be table look like this. I'm just showing you an Excel sheet. Okay. But this is not a table. I'm showing you. Table will be having rows and columns, correct? You see this, please? You see this? Okay. Tables will be having rows and columns. Understanding, everyone? Yes, please. So now, suppose I have a student table. My table name is students. In the students table, I have serial number. I have what? Serial number, student name, marks, city, state. Yes, please. So now students is a table name. This serial number, serial name, student name, marks, city, state are called columns. The vertical things are called columns or fields or attributes. Understood? Everyone? Columns or fields or attributes. Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? And the horizontal rows, serial number 10, Raj, okay, serial number 10, Raj, 100, Bangalore, Karnataka, 20, Ram, 200, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, 330, Ramesh, 300, Hyderabad, Telangana. Yes, please. So what is this called? These are called rows or records. These are called rows or records. The vertical things are called columns or fields or attributes, any name. The horizontal rows are called rows or records. Rows or records. Understood? There are 3 records in my table, correct? How many records in my table? In my table, how many records are there? There are 3 records. How many columns are there? How many columns are there? There are 5 columns. Three rows, 5 columns. So the data is in the form of, if the data is stored in the form of rows and columns, that is called a table. If the data is stored in the format of rows and columns, that is called a table. Understood, please? What is a table? Did you understand what is a table? Now, these tables, suppose I have 10 tables. 10 tables, where these will store? 10 tables will store in where? 10 tables will store in? These tables will store in database. Okay. So data will be stored in database in the format of tables. Understood? Are you clear, please? Data will be stored in the database in the format of tables, that is rows and columns. So now database is very important in our real-time world. Everywhere we are using laptops, correct? If you go to medical shop, he will be having a desktop, a system. If you go to Big Bazaar, he will be having a desktop. If you go to college, he'll be having a desktop. Everyone will be stored the data in the format of tables, correct? Yes or no, please? Everyone, is it clear? Everyone, is it clear, please? So, what are the examples of databases? What are the examples of databases in real world? Same again, educational database, okay. Then financial database, correct? Financial database. Next, financial database, okay. Healthcare database. Yes, guys. Government database. So these are all databases, correct? Because these are all collection of tables. These are all collection of tables. Retail database, collection of table. So all the healthcare, all the educational tables will be stored in education database. All the financial banking data will be stored in tables in financial database, healthcare database, government database, retail database. Correct? Understood? Are you clear, please? Did you understand what is data, what is table, and what is database? Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Now, how, see, in our system, in my laptop, how to save this table, how to see this table, how to create the table, or how to see the table data in my laptop or in any laptop. In any laptop, how to create the table, how to see the data in the table, how to create a table in my laptop, how to see the data in the table in any laptop, whatever. How? You have to install a software called database server. You have to install a software called database server. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? So what we have to do? What we have to do? Yes, please. So how to see the data in the table? How to see the data in the table? How to create the table? First of all, directly in Excel sheet you cannot create. This is not a table. This is Excel sheet. That's it. This is not actually a table. This is just an Excel sheet. But how to create the table in our laptops or desktops? By using database server softwares. It is a software. So what are the examples of database servers? What are the examples of database servers? Examples of database servers are Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Teradata. Okay. Yes, please. Teradata, Greenplum. Yes, guys. Oracle, SQL Server. It's a database name. Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL. These are from different companies. Like our mobiles, different companies will do the same work. Okay. Teradata, Greenplum. Yes, please. Greenplum, MongoDB, DB2, Snowflake. Yes, please. Snowflake, etc. Understood, everyone? So these are all what? These are all database servers. These are all database servers. If you want to create a table, first you need to install Oracle. Then only you need to create Oracle with the SQL developer. Oracle with the SQL developer. Yes, please. Oracle with SQL developer. You need to install first. Then only you will create the table. Then only you will create the table. So if you learn Oracle, the remaining things are easy. No need to learn all. If you learn any one, that is more than enough. If you learn either Oracle or SQL Server, Teradata, but Oracle is the oldest one. Still people are using. So Oracle database is very important. Understood? Everyone? Are you clear, please? So if you want to install
Oracle, if you want to install, if you want to create a table, first you need to install what? Oracle. Then only you can learn Oracle commands, all those things. Are you clear, please? Everyone? Did you understand clearly what is what now? What is data? What is database? Okay. What are the different types of databases and how to create a table, where to create a table, and how to that means what are the different database servers available in market? Are you clear, guys? So is my English is understandable to you? Is my English is understandable to you? Everyone? And is my session is understandable to you? Is my session is understandable to you? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Now coming to Informatica now. ETL. Actually, what we are learning? Informatica. Okay. Informatica or ETL tool. What is this ETL tool or Informatica? Okay. For example, yes, please. For example, just a second, please wait. Yeah. Please try to understand. Yes, please. Now, for example, why we require Informatica? Why we are all learning here an ETL tool called yes, please, called Informatica, correct? We are all learning an ETL tool that is Informatica. What is this Informatica and what we will do this? What is the use of it? What is the use of it? Why the projects are using Informatica? Why the projects are using Informatica? That we'll see now. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's go to Big Bazaar. You know Big Bazaar, everyone? What is Big Bazaar? What is Big Bazaar, guys? It's a supermarket. It's a supermarket, correct? Big Bazaar is a supermarket. It's a supermarket, correct? Means it's a retail business, correct? Is it a retail business? It's a business. It's a retail business. Okay, fine. Now, suppose I am the owner of Big Bazaar. Okay. So there is one branch in Indiranagar, Bangalore. In Indiranagar, there is a branch. Okay. In Bangalore, there is a Big Bazaar. Okay. Indiranagar branch. One Big Bazaar is there. Okay. Normally, what you people will do? You people will go to Big Bazaar. You people will go to Big Bazaar. You will take the groceries, whatever you want. You will take the trolley. You will put whatever the groceries, vegetables, okay, whatever the kitchen items, whatever you want. You will put it in the trolley and you will go to cashier, correct? You will go to the near to the cashier. Yes or no, please? You will give that trolley to cashier. What cashier will do? What cashier will do? Cashier will barcode each and every product, correct? He will scan the barcode, correct? He will take a soap. He will take a soap barcode. When he scan the barcode, what will happen? The details of the products will come on the screen, correct? When you scan the barcode, suppose you took one soap, okay? There is a barcode behind it. He will scan the barcode. When you scan the barcode, okay, soap, okay, suppose whatever the soap name, company name, and how many products, what is the price, it will show in the system. Like that, he will scan all the barcodes. Suppose you took some 50 items, different 50 items. So 50 barcodes is scanned. He'll be having a scanner, correct? He'll be having a scanner. So by that scanner, he will barcode. Okay, he will scan to the barcodes. Then once all the items are barcode is scanning completed, what in his system, he will get a total, correct? Total amount he will get in his system. Total products amount he will get automatically. When he complete the scanning of the barcode, he will press enter. When he press enter in the keyboard, okay, total amount 10,000 rupees. Rupees 10,000 he will get it. Then what he will do? He will ask you 10,000 rupees, correct? Either you will do the UPI or credit card or debit card or cash he will give to him. Once he given 10,000 rupees cash to him, he will click on print, correct? When you click on print, a bill will come the printer in the printer and the bill will given to you, correct? Yes or no, guys? This is what the process in any supermarket. If you go to any supermarket, is this the process, please? Everyone, please reply. Everyone, please reply. Is this the process? Yes. That you are seeing with your eyes. Whatever I am telling, you have seen already. But internally, something will happen. In Big Bazaar, internally is in a system, a database will be installed. A database server will be installed already. It is installed already. Okay. Internally, a table will be there. In the Big Bazaar system, Oracle database server means suppose Oracle, for example. Oracle installed already and a table also will be created. When you click on print, a print will be given to the customer, but internally the data will be stored in the database in a table. Understood? Are you clear, please? Internally, that you cannot see that nobody can see that. But when you click on print, a print will give to you. Internally, it will, the customer, suppose it will be, a customer's table will be having. A customer table will be having internally inside the system. In that customer phone number, he will ask the phone number, correct? Okay. He will ask the phone number when you go to any supermarket. Yes, he will ask the phone number. Customer 4. Okay. Product, number of the products purchased. Number of products purchased. Okay. Total amount. All these things will be stored in the system in a table in the database internally in Oracle. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. So when the cashier enters the data of the customer, it will be stored in a table in the database in the Big Bazaar. Okay. This is called transaction table. For one customer, one transaction, correct? When you go to the billing system, when you scan all the barcodes, if you give the print, that is called one transaction, correct? Is it called one transaction? Yes or no, please? Is it called one transaction? Correct, please? Yes, guys. Is it called one transaction? Yes or no? So all these transactions will be stored in the format of tables, correct? Format of tables in the database. Now, these tables are called transactional tables. What are these called? Transactional tables. This data is called transactional data. Are you clear, please? If you go to any business, if they are entering means, that is called transactional data. Each customer will be having one transaction. Correct? Did you understand what is transaction means? If you go to bank, you deposited 10,000. That is one transaction. You withdraw 10,000. That is one transaction. You go to college, you paid the fee, one transaction. You go to hospital, you paid the bill for OPD, one transaction. You go to movie, you took a ticket, one transaction. Are you clear, please? All this data will be saved under transactional tables, also called OLTP tables. What are these? Online transactional processing. Online transactional processing. OLTP means. Understood? Are you clear, please? What is OLTP? Did you understand? Online transactional processing. OLTP contains transactional data. Okay. Also called raw data. Raw data. This is just a data entered by the cashiers. Correct? Entered by the clerks or cashiers. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding what is OLTP? In day-to-day activity, in day-to-day world, wherever you go, you paid and you get something means that is a transaction. You will get the items, you will get the bill, but the record will stored in the table in the database. Are you clear, please? Everyone understood clearly? Did you understand clearly what is transactional data? What is OLTP? Okay, fine. I have the OLTP. And I have the data in my transactional tables. Okay, what is the use of it? Then again, why Informatica? We'll see now. Okay. Suppose, for example, as I told, I have Bangalore Indiranagar branch. In Bangalore, I have Indiranagar branch. Like this, in Bangalore, I have 5 branches. In Bangalore, I have 5 branches. Yes, please. 5 branches. What are those? Indiranagar. Yes, please. Big Indiranagar, Jayanagar, JP Nagar. Yes, please. MG Road, Kalyan Nagar. Okay. I have what? What I have? I have 5 branches. I have 5 branches in Big Bazaar in Bangalore. Okay. Now I want to improve my business. Okay. For example, I'll take Indiranagar. Suppose I am the Big Bazaar owner. At the end of the day, what I will see? If I am a Big Bazaar owner, if I have 1 branch, what I will see at the end of the day? What I will see at the end of the day? I will see either I got profit or loss, correct? I will see the sales today. What are the sales? And I will see what is profit, what is loss, correct? Yes or no, please? Ultimately, I want this only. If I am a owner of any business, how much sales I got to today? In that, I got profit or loss. Whole world will work this only. Yes or no, please? Whole world business will work on this only. Yes or no, please? High level. Everyone, please reply everyone. Yes. Okay, fine. Today, 100 customers entered into my Big Bazaar Indiranagar branch. In Indiranagar branch, 100 people entered from morning 10:30 to night 9 o'clock. For example, 100 people entered, 100 transactions happened, correct? 100 transactions happened. Yes or no today? How many transactions? 100 transactions. Out of these 100 transactions, how much? Maybe 10 lakh rupees I got. I got 10 lakh rupees sales. All people paid to me 10 lakh rupees sales happened. Okay, now what I will see? I will see the expenses, correct? Expenses for today. This is sales today. Today's sales. What is this? Today's sales, correct? Today's sales. I will see today's expenses, correct? Today's expenses. Yes or no, please? What are expenses of? What are expenses? Rent of the building, maintenance of the building, correct? Maintenance of the building, salaries of the employees, cost price of the goods, all these things will come to expenses, correct? All these will come to expenses. Suppose I got today's expenses 5 lakhs. Sales is 10 lakhs and expenses is 5 lakhs. Expense is 5 lakhs. Yes, guys? So now what is profit equal to? What is profit equal to? Sales minus expenses, correct? That is 10 lakh minus 5 lakhs. Yes or no, guys? 10 lakhs minus 5 lakhs. Yes? How many lakhs? 5 lakh profit, correct? I got 5 lakh profit. For example, on next day, I got sales 3 lakh. And I got expenses 5 lakh. Correct? Expenses 5 lakh. Yes, please. Then loss I will get it. 3 lakh minus 5 lakh is minus 2 lakh, correct? 3 lakh minus 5 lakh is minus 2 lakh. 2 lakh loss. Correct. Yes, guys. So what Big Bazaar owner wanted, whether I got profit or loss. So I need profit or loss report. What ultimately I want? I want a profit or loss report. What kind of reports? Profit or loss? What kind of reports? I want daily report. Correct? Yes or no, please? I want a daily report. I want a weekly report. Profit or loss? Yes, guys. I want a monthly report. I want a quarterly report. I want yearly report. Yes, please. Who want this? Big Bazaar owner wanted. A business owner wanted. Okay, fine. Now, like this, I have 5 branches, correct? Like this, I have 5 branches. In all these 5 branches, what is the daily report, weekly report, monthly report, quarterly report, yearly report, correct? Yes, guys. Not only this, I want branch-wise report, correct? What I want? I want branch-wise report, yes or no? In Indiranagar, this much, how much? I want city-wide report. In total Bangalore, there are total 10 branches, city-wide report, state-wide report, correct? In total Karnataka, there are 50 branches. I want state-wide report. I want zonal-wide report, correct? I want zonal-wide report, yes or no? South zone, in south zone, that is Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. Yes, guys, that is south. South zone report, north zone report, east zone report, west zone report. Correct, please? And national, that is country-wide report. Next, throughout country. Total country, I have 500 branches. Total country-wide, I have 500 branches. Today, in total country-wide, how much I want? These reports I want. Yes or no, please? Everyone, guys, understanding please? If I have the business, I need ultimately these reports. I need these reports ultimately, correct? To improve my business, I need these reports. Okay. Suppose I got countrywide report. I got countrywide report like this. I want to see top 100 salaried people. Total throughout India, they got employee report they took. I got almost 5,000 people working. Throughout India, 5,000 people working in Big Bazaar, correct? Maybe. Okay. So cashiers, the laborers, the managers, the senior managers, the branch managers, the presidents, vice presidents, CEO, everyone, correct? Yes, guys. In that, I want top 100 salaried people. Okay. Can I get it from these reports? Yes, I can get it. I can get it. Not only that, for example, I am observing Indiranagar branch. I am observing Indiranagar branch. In Indiranagar, in January month, in Bangalore, Indiranagar, I got 10 lakh loss. I got 10 lakh loss in total January month. Okay, in February month, I am observing again by seeing the profit and loss report. In February month, I have 50 lakh loss. I got. And in March, yes, please. I got 70 lakh loss. Continuously 3 months, I got loss. Yes, please. Then in April also again, I got 60 lakh loss. Then I should take a business decision. Shall I take a decision now on Indiranagar branch? No point on continuing this branch, correct? If I get a loss, instead of running it, if I close it, I'll get 60 lakh profit, correct? If I am unnecessarily paying 60 lakh means if I close it, I no need to pay 60 lakh. Yes or no, please? If I close this permanently, I no need to pay 60 lakh. Yes or no? Now, to take the better business decision, I will remove the Indiranagar branch. I'll see any good location. I will implement there. Clear, guys? To take the better business decision, Why we need the reports? To take the better business decisions. Understood? Everyone? Yes, guys? Clear, please? To take the better business decisions, we require profit and loss reports, daily reports, weekly reports, monthly, quarterly, branch-wise, statewide, these things. Okay. From tomorrow, lockdown is happening, for example. From tomorrow, there is a lockdown in India for 2 months, for example. Then Big Bazaar will be closed. So they don't have online business, only offline. So then what should they do? They should cut down the employees, correct? First, I will do what? I'll get top 100 salary people, I'll remove them. Yes or no? Because I can't pay high salaries to them. When my business is closed for more than 2-3 months, I cannot pay the salaries. I need to cut down my expenses. So by using these reports, what we will do? We will take the better business decisions. Now, who will generate these reports? Yes, guys. Who will generate these reports? How will generate these reports? Who will generate these reports and how these will be generated? This is the main important question. Okay. So for that, I have a solution. Please. So just 1 second, guys. I'll come back in 1 minute. Please be hold. I'll come back in 1 minute. Will you be hold? Please 1 minute. One. Yes, please. Okay. So, guys, I cannot unmute you. Whatever you need to ask the questions, you need to ask in chat only. Because if I unmute, everyone will speak and nobody can understand anything. Okay. So, please. Please understand this. And if you have any questions, you ask me. I'll give a chance to ask the questions. You ask in the chat. I will see the chat. Okay, and I will reply. Okay. Now please try to understand. As I told you, I have Big Bazaar, correct? This is Big Bazaar. In Big Bazaar, different branches. We have many tables, correct? Many tables in all the branches, transaction tables. All the transactions will store in these tables. All the transactions will be stored in these tables. Yes or no, please? Everyone? Could you please reply, everyone? This is my Big Bazaar. This is Big Bazaar, correct? Yes, please. This is Big Bazaar. All branches. Suppose there are 100 tables in all branches. Okay. This is Big Bazaar. All these are transaction tables, OLTP tables, correct? These are all what? These are all OLTP tables. OLTP tables also called, these are all called OLTP tables. Also called transactional tables. Also called transactional tables. Yes, please. Transactional tables. Yes, guys. Also called OLTP tables or transaction tables. Also called source tables. Source tables. That means what? Customers entered. That entered data is there. That's it. Now what we will do? We will use a ETL tool. What? Informatica. We will take a ETL tool called Informatica. This is ETL tool. This is Informatica. For example, this is Informatica. Yes, please. This is Informatica. Informatica, what it will do? This is ETL tool. What is this? This is ETL tool. ETL tool called Informatica. Informatica will extract the data from OLTP. What Informatica will do? Will extract the data from OLTP. Yes, guys. What it will do? Informatica will extract the data or read the data. What it will do? Will extract the data, will read the data, will get the data to Informatica, and it will load to another database called OLAP. So these are OLTP tables. This is transactional database, contains source tables. Once what ETL will do? Extract from the source tables, transform it in ETL. What it will do? Modify. It will modify or transform the data or modify the data as per the business logic and load it to target tables. This target is called OLAP. This is OLAP tables, analytical tables. What is this? Analytical data, online analytical processing, analytical data. Yes, please. This is OLAP or target tables based on the business requirement. What Informatica will do? Informatica will extract the data, transform and load it to target tables or write it to target tables. Load it or write it to target tables. Load or write. Load or write or put the data to target tables. These are all target tables. Understanding, everyone? After analysis of the data, see ultimately what my client wanted. What my client is Big Bazaar, for example. Okay, for example, my client is Big Bazaar. What my client wanted? My client wanted the business reports. Correct. So we are using Informatica ETL tool. E means extract, T means transform, L means load. Extract the data from OLTP, transform it and load it to OLAP. See, from OLAP, reporting people will generate the reports. From OLAP, reporting people will generate the reports, the business reports by using Power BI, by using Tableau, by using Power BI, Tableau, Cognos. Okay, from these target tables, reporting people will generate the business reports. Okay, I'll tell you some simple example. See, please. This is, I told raw data, correct? This I told as raw data, correct? Transactional data. Yes or no, please? This is raw data. Okay. For example, I want, I have Big Bazaar. I will give the raw data. I want the reports, correct? I will give the transactional data to you. You generate the reports to me. That is my requirement. Business reports. Okay. I want to construct a building. In a simple terms, I want to construct a building. What I will do? I will give the raw material, correct? Will I give the raw material to the contractor? Will I give the raw material to the contractor? Everyone, my project is what? See, I have Big Bazaar. My requirement is what? To generate the business reports. Same way, my project is I want a building. I want a 3-storied building, three floors building I want. That is my requirement. For that, what I will do? I will give the raw material, correct? Raw material means cement, bricks, okay, cement, bricks, iron, okay, etc., stone, sand, etc., correct? Yes, guys, I'll give these to my contractor. Same way, I'll give the raw data, whatever the data entered by the cashier. I'll give the data to a software company. I'll give these tables to software company. Same way, I'll give the sand, I'll give the cement, okay? I will give the stones, I'll give the iron to contractor. Now what contractor will do? He will construct the building, correct? He will construct the building. First, what he will do? He will take all this raw material. He will hire the labor. He will hire the labor, yes or no, please? Will he hire the labor? Who build the homes? Yes. First, he will construct the basement. Then he will construct the ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. 3 floors he completed.
Just he completed 3 floors. So my raw material got a good shape now. Is my raw material got a good shape? This cement, bricks, sand, iron, and whatever, etc., is converted into a building. Same way, I given the data to a software company. Accenture, Big Bazaar has given a project to Accenture. Accenture has took this data. They hired ETL developers, labor in where in the construction terminology labor, in the software terminology software developers means ETL developers. They will give the good shape to data. Understood? Whatever the raw data we have, software, that is we people, ETL developers, you, me, who are working in a software company, software developer, software engineer, what he will do? He will use Informatica tool. Same way, the labor will use all the tools, correct? They have the tools to construct the building. They have the tools to construct the building, please. Yes or no, guys? Directly they will put the sand. No, they have all those tools they have. By using those tools, they will construct the building. And we got a building. The sand, all these raw material got a good shape. Same way, my data got a good shape. I took the data, I analyzed the data based on the business requirement. I got a good shape. I just constructed the building. I did not painted it. I did not made interior, correct? If I don't paint it, if I want to do interior, can I stay in that? I given raw material. My contractor took the labors. Labors built a building, but it did not get painted. It did not do the interior. Can I live in that building? Everyone, please. Can I live in that building? Yes or no, guys? No, I cannot. Then what I will do now? I will give good what shape to my building? Attractive shape, correct? Attractive, how can I? Good painting. First, outer side. Good gate I will put. Good color to the gate. Good color to my balcony. Good color to my walls. Good color to my roof. Yes or no, please? And when I go inside, I'll put so much of woodwork. I will do interior, wardrobes, good tiles I will put. Okay, then only it will complete. So I am the client. Yes, please. I am the client. I have given raw material to contractor. Yes, guys. If my expectation is what I want to live in that building. If you give without painting and without tiles, can I live? No. Same way. Big Bazaar, I given some data. I analyzed the data, and if I given the table, they will understand. Raw material is raw data, source tables, transaction tables. If I use ETL tool, but I given the tables directly. I given the tables directly, correct? They will not understand. You need to generate the reports. Understood? Then only they will understand, correct? If you give me, if you do the interior and if you give me, then only I can live. Same way. This is the thing. Did you understand, please? Why we require Informatica? Did you understand why we require Informatica? Yes or no, please? Everyone, did you understand in a simple terminology? Everyone, did you understand? So, any business, why ETL tools are popular? Every business needs improvement, correct? Every business needs an improvement. Yes or no? How it will improve? ETL developers will take the data from the client. They will transform or modify. They will give a good shape to data. How to give good shape? We'll see in the class, in the later sessions. And will generate the target tables. From target, this is our work. Our work is only this. From here to here. Reporting generation is not my work. Who will do the report generation? Reporting developers. Who will do the reporting generation? Report generations will be reporting our target tables data they will take and they will generate the reports. Who is working on Power BI or Tableau or Cognos? Okay, so those people will generate the reports. Our work is, we are all who? We are all ETL developers. ETL developers. Understood? Are you clear, please? An ETL developer used an ETL tool will extract the data from transactional tables, modify it, and load it to target tables or analytical tables, also called OLAP tables, online analytical processing. Did you understand clearly, please? Everyone understood clearly? I given a perfect example like a building, correct? Yes, guys. Here raw material means the data, transaction data. Their raw material means sand, iron, stone. What else? Sand, iron, stone, cement, etc., etc. To construct the building, they will to construct the bricks, correct? To construct the building, what they will do? They will hire labor to generate the to work on the to work on this to get a good shape. Software companies will hire ETL developers and they will construct a building. We will load the data to target tables. Then the interior people who will do the interiors, they will come and do the interiors and paintings. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Understood? Same way reporting people will. So this OLAP also called data warehouse. This OLAP also called data warehouse. So whatever the analytical data is there, that is called data warehouse. Understood? This is called data warehouse. Are you clear, please? Understanding? We will take the raw data and we will load the data into OLAP tables in data warehouse. Understood? Are you clear, please? Data warehouse contains analytical data, online analytical processing. Now, what are the different ETL tools available in market? Different. Do you understand why we need ETL tools? Did you understand why we need ETL tools? Did you understand why we need ETL tools? To extract. What is ETL means? Extract. ETL. Extract. Transform. Extract means read or get the data. Get the data. Yes, please. Transform or modify the data. Load or write the data. Yes, please. Load or modify the data. Understood? Extract the data from OLTP tables. Yes, guys. Modify it and load it to OLAP tables. OLTP tables also called source tables, correct? Also called source tables. Also called target tables. Understood? Are you clear, please? Also called source tables. Also called target tables. Understood? Everyone? Extract or read or get the data from OLTP tables. Transform or modify the data and load and write from these tables. Reporting people will generate the reports. Understood? What are the ETL tools available in market? Informatica PowerCenter PC, Informatica PC, Informatica Cloud, that is IICS, Informatica Cloud, that is also called IICS or IDMC, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, Informatica Data Management Cloud. Yes, please. Talent, Ab initio or Data Stage, Ab initio. Yes, please. Then what else? Snowflake, also a ETL tool. Matillion, also an ETL tool. These are all ETL tools. Work will be same, but different tools. Normally people will ask me, will you teach ETL or Informatica? Informatica is an ETL tool. See, ETL is a concept, correct? ETL is a concept. You know Android? Android is an operating system, correct? Android is an operating system, mobile operating system, correct? If I want to use Android,
I want to use Android. Which mobile shall I use? Shall I use only OnePlus mobile? Shall I use only OnePlus mobile to use Android? I can use Samsung also. I can use MI also. I can use Realme also. I can use Sony also. Correct, guys? Yes or no, please? If I want to use Android, I can use in any mobile whichever I want. Either one. Android is a concept. Android will be used in either OnePlus mobile or Samsung mobile or MI mobile or Realme mobile or Sony mobile. Suppose somebody, the look and feel may be different, but ultimately all will do same work. Maybe some extra features, less features, but all will do same work, installing applications and work with the applications. Suppose if anybody asks me, is OnePlus is good or MI is good? If anybody asks me, OnePlus is good or MI is good, which one is good? Which one is good? Or Realme? Okay, Realme. Which one is good, guys? See, in some terms, OnePlus is good. In some terms, Realme is good. OnePlus is speeder, more speed, correct? In OnePlus. Maybe in Realme, less speed. Okay, maybe. OnePlus is costly, correct? OnePlus is costly, yes or no? But Realme is cheaper. I'll go for Realme only. Correct, please? I'll go for Realme because it is less cheaper. It is having more features. I don't want more features. The same features here also having maybe less features. It's depend on person to person, correct? Few people will like OnePlus mobile. If they have extra features also, few people will use Realme only. Few people will use Samsung only. Same way. ETL also a concept. ETL can be used in Informatica. Same work can be done in Informatica, can be done in IICS, can be done in Talent, can be done in data stage, can be done in Snowflake. But look and feel is different. Understood? Which one I should use? That is my client or my software company wish. If my software company think that Informatica is good, then they will go for Informatica. Yes, guys. If they ask me, Informatica is good or Snowflake is good, Informatica is having more advantages. Snowflake is also having advantages. Informatica has few advantages, few disadvantages. Here also it is having disadvantages. It's based on client to client, it will depend. Suppose if I want to tell exactly the differences between OnePlus and Realme, I should use 1 month OnePlus, Realme 1 month, correct? If I use 1 month OnePlus, 1 month Realme, then I can tell exact differences. Yes or no? Now, how I am telling based on the user reviews. I will see the reviews in the Google. Based on the reviews, I am saying this. Yes or no? These are all ETL tools. These are all not Informatica tools, please. ETL tools. These are all Android devices. These are all called ETL tools. Yes, please. One of the ETL tool is Informatica. Whatever you can do in Informatica, same thing you can do in data stage. Output, you can get the same thing. Understanding? Are you clear, please? Everyone? Suppose if anybody asks you, what are the exact difference between Informatica and Talent? Then, if you worked on Informatica 1 month, if you worked on Talent 1 month, you can say. Otherwise, I will see the Google and I'll say. Yes or no? Are you clear? Understanding? Clear about it? Everyone, are you clear? So, we are all using ETL as a tool. So, but if you have experience, then only you can work. If you have experience in Informatica, can I work in Talent? No, you cannot work. You can easily understand. If you know Informatica, you can easily understand Talent. If you know Informatica, you can easily understand data stage. But you need to learn again. But no need to learn all these things. Data stage also ETL tool. Correct. Informatica is ETL tool. Informatica IICS is ETL tool. Talent is ETL tool. Data Stage is ETL tool. Snowflake is ETL tool. Are you clear, guys? Everything, every tool will do extract, transform, load. Extract from OLTP, modified, load it to OLAP. Every tool will do. All these tools will do the same thing. Understood, please? Are you clear, guys? The same tables I can take it here, 10 tables, OLTP. I'll get the same output here also. But the tools are different. That's it. Among these, Informatica is the easiest tool. Among all these, Informatica PowerCenter is the old tool and easiest tool. And easiest. There will be no coding in that, in this. Among this, all these ETL tools, Informatica PowerCenter and Informatica IICS are easiest. Understood? Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Are you clear? Did you understand, please? Now, so did you understand what is data? Did you understand what is data? Did you understand what is data? What is database? What are the types of databases? What are the types of database servers? Okay. Then why we need Informatica? If anybody asks you why you are working on Informatica, what you will tell? Why you need Informatica? To do ETLs, to generate the reports. Actually, ETL will not generate the report. Reporting will generate the reports, correct? Reporting developers. Yes or no, please? These are ETL tools. Same way we have reporting tools. Same way we have reporting tools. What are reporting tools? What are reporting tools can generate the reports? Power BI. Yes, please. Power BI. Yes, guys. Power BI. Tableau. MicroStrategy. Cognos. SSIS. SSRS. These are all the. So what ETL will do? ETL will load the data till OLAP, till data warehouse. This data will be taken from reports. Whatever we generated the data, that data will be used in the reports. Understood? Are you clear? Because we cannot give data to our clients. We should give a good shape to data. Giving good shape to data is called reports. Reportings will be generated by reporting developers who is working on Power BI, etc. Who is working on Power BI, etc. They will generate the reports. Understood? Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Makes sense? So did you understand clearly, please? Did you understand clearly? Everyone? Is my session is understandable to you? Is my session is understandable to you? Everyone, please. Which ETL tool is having coding part? Snowflake is having coding part. Snowflake is having coding part. And many ETL tools are there that you don't need to worry about. Guys, are you able to understand my session easily? And is the session is interesting? Is the session is interesting? Yes, guys. Okay. Now, next 5 minutes, let's discuss about Informatica. What is Informatica? Informatica is a software company. It is a product-based company. Informatica is a product-based software company, which is located in US headquarters. But the branches are there in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai. The branches are there. In Hyderabad, there is a branch of Informatica. In India, there is a branch. That is in Bangalore, there is a branch. In Mumbai, there is a branch. Informatica is developed a few tools. Now we are discussing about Informatica tools. Yes, guys? These are ETL tools. These are reporting tools. Correct? Yes or no, please? These are ETL tools. These are Informatica tools. Now, these are reporting. Now, coming to Informatica. We'll go in depth about Informatica. Informatica is a product-based software company like Oracle, like Samsung. It is also a product-based company. Understood? Inside Informatica, Informatica designed several tools called Informatica PowerCenter. Okay? Informatica Cloud, also called IICS, also called IDMC. Informatica MDM, Master Data Management. Informatica IDQ, Data Quality. Informatica Data Quality. Informatica BDM, Big Data Management. Informatica TDM, Test Data Management. Informatica 360. Informatica ILM. These are all not ETL tools. Only first two are ETL tools. This is ETL tool. This is ETL tool. Yes, guys? Only the first two are ETL tools. See, Informatica is very old company. From 20 years, Informatica is there. First, they designed Informatica PowerCenter. Later, this Informatica PowerCenter is improved with Informatica Cloud. The advanced version of PowerCenter is Informatica Cloud. The advanced version of Informatica PowerCenter is Informatica Cloud. And Master Data Management, Informatica Data Quality, Big Data Management, Test Data Management, 360, Lifecycle Management, all these will be different purposes we'll use. Different purposes we'll use. To learn any of these tools, you must know Informatica PowerCenter. You cannot learn directly cloud. You cannot learn directly IICS. If you don't know PowerCenter, you cannot learn IICS. First, you must understand Informatica PowerCenter. Are you clear, please? Everyone understood? So these are all designed by Informatica company. Informatica is a $1 million product-based software company like Samsung, like Apple, like Microsoft, like Google, etc., etc. It is also a leading. Who is the leader in ETL? A leader of ETL is Informatica. Leader in ETL. Who? Informatica, please. Leader, the world-class leader is. So these and all people may use, may not use. But Informatica, for sure, every company will use. Leader in ETL tools is Informatica. Clear, please? Understood? This is the background about our ETL tools, our Informatica. Did you understand clearly? Please? Yeah, Informatica. If you learn Informatica IICS, it is good. If you learn Informatica IICS, that will be always better. If you have both PowerCenter and IICS, you will get good calls, you will get good packages also. Yes, please. Are you clear, guys? So this is all about our session today. Our next session is on Monday. This video will be uploaded in YouTube. This video I will upload in YouTube. You can watch this again if you want. First and second videos will be uploaded in YouTube. From third video, that will be available in website. See, whoever paid full fee, if you paid full fee, you will get these access. What and all you will get? Number one, WhatsApp group. Number two, website access. In the website only you can watch the video. Number three, material access. Okay, all these things. If you pay the full fee, that is 15,000. If you don't pay the full fee, you will not get it. Please pay the fee to get these access. Understood? Are you clear, please? So did you like my session? Did you like my session? Did you understand something new today? Did you understand my English? Is my English is understandable to you? Is my English is simple and understandable? And is my session is understandable? Is my session is interesting? Yes, good. Okay. See you on Monday, guys. Thank you all. See you on Mondays. Before you log off, please open YouTube. Please open YouTube and subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel, Raj Informatica. Raj Informatica. This is my YouTube channel. I am giving you the YouTube channel. You can open the YouTube channel and please subscribe my. You can go to Google. You can go to Google. Yes, please. You just search for Raj Informatica YouTube. Raj Informatica YouTube, if you search, then you will get my channel. You please go my channel and please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. There are many useful Informatica, PowerCenter, IICS, Unix, Oracle interview questions. Everything will be there available in my website. Please keep watching my YouTube channel, subscribe, comment, and like. And also go through my rajinformatica.com. In rajinformatica.com, you will be finding the materials for Unix, Oracle, data warehousing, okay, and IICS Power Center, interview questions on Power Center, interview questions on Oracle, interview questions on IICS. You can find out. Please keep watching it. Thank you all. See you on Monday. Thank you all, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Thank you.